y'all doing? This is Chop It Up, and I am ROXX-A-MILLION. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for Salmon New Orleans with you guys. And right here I have some wild caught sockeye salmon. I've already checked it for pin bones, and I washed it already, and I just put some olive oil on it. And I'm going to add some black pepper, and you put as much as you want for your preference. I'm going to add some garlic powder, some Old Bay, paprika, some cayenne. It has skin on the other side, so the skin side is down, and when I take it out, I will not be leaving the skin on it. I will be taking the skin off, but I'll show y'all how I do it. I got a little bit of lemon pepper here. This is Dash. I'm just going to put a little bit on it. This doesn't have any sodium in it at all. Only thing that has sodium that I added so far is the Old Bay. Okay, so I have some fresh parsley here. I'm going to put half of this on here. The other half will go to with the shrimp. And I'm going to put half of my bell pepper on here and half of the onions, because the other half will be cooked with the shrimp. So I'm going to cook this in the oven on 350, and I guess it cooked for about 25 minutes. And when I come back, we'll start assembling the salmon. Not the salmon, but the shrimp sauce. The shrimp sauce, which is the New Orleans, will be going over the salmon. So when I come back, I'll be assembling the shrimp, getting that ready to get cooked. Hello. Okay, so right here I have some shrimp. They have been deveined. They have been shelled, and the tails are off. I put in here some cayenne, some black pepper, some garlic powder, as well as some Old Bay. And I'm going to mix it up. Oh. Good thing I keep the counters clean, because that's going in the pot. We're not going to not cook that one. Okay, so I'm going to saute these. I already have the frying pan hot with some oil to melt the butter. Put in the other half of those onions, the other half of the bell pepper, the other half of the fresh chopped parsley. In conjunction, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of minced garlic. Saute this down. I'm going to put some garlic paste in here as well. I got it down to medium because I don't want the garlic to burn and become bitter. Add some garlic paste. That's about a tablespoon of garlic paste. I'm going to let this cook down before I put the shrimp in, because shrimp only take a couple of minutes to cook. So I'm going to let this sweat for about 5 minutes. Put the top on it. Ooh. Now that the bell pepper, the onions, and the garlic and the parsley have made some harmony together, I'm going to add the shrimp in. Excuse me. And let them turn pink. Mix them in. So once the shrimp cook, I will be adding in the heavy whipping cream to make the sauce. That'll complete the sauce. So right now the shrimp just gotta cook. And to go with this meal, I've cooked some Himalaya rice. I got some biscuits. Thank you, honey. And over here I got some string beans with, as my grandma says, some iced potatoes. Then we got some Himalaya rice right there. I have half a cup of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to put a teaspoon of cornstarch in it. That's going to be the thickening agent. So when I put it in here, it'll start already, it'll thicken. You see how it's thickening up? Becoming a real Newburgh sauce. That's the consistency that I'm looking for. So it can sit on top of the salmon. We need some smell-o-vision, boy, because this here smells so good. So right here we have the completed New Orleans. This is the shrimp that makes the New Orleans part of the salmon. I'm turning that off. It's ready to go on top of the salmon. Okay, y'all, so the fish is done. Like I told y'all, I was going to take the skin off. So this is how you just take the skin off, just like that. The skin, keep it intact, but when I get ready to plate, I just take the skin off just like that and leave it in there. Put it on the plate. There it goes. It's all off of there. So now it's ready. I'm going to start plating, and I'll see y'all with the finished product. Okay, y'all, so I'm drinking some Barefoot Fruscato Peach. Really nice. Light and fruity. This is Himalaya rice. It's straight from the Himalayas. You can find this rice at, well, it's in the grocery stores now, but it used to be only at Sam's. Delicioso perfecto. This a money shot right here. All day Nate Johnson. This a sale. It's good. Remember, thoughts become things, so let's choose good ones. I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. And as always, I'm finna handle the business with this plate. See y'all next time.